The buzz around the upcoming iPhone 17 has tech enthusiasts and Apple fans alike on the edge of their seats. While Apple is known for its cautious approach to design updates, rumors suggest that he might finally be ready to break away from its traditional aesthetics. A fresh wave of leaks points to significant changes, including a completely revamped back design featuring a horizontal camera layout. This design, reminiscent of Google's Pixel series, could signal a bold new direction for Apple, moving away from the familiar square-shaped camera bump that has defined recent models. If these rumors hold true, the iPhone 17 could represent one of the most dramatic design shifts in years. The source of these leaks is the well-regarded Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station, with further coverage by industry insiders. According to the reports, the iPhone 17 series, possibly its rumored Air or Slim variant, may showcase a horizontally stacked camera system positioned at the top of the device. Rendered images accompanying the leaks depict a sleek, futuristic appearance that could set the new model apart from the iPhone 16 and its predecessors. Though unconfirmed, the reputation of Digital Chat Station lends credibility to these claims, sparking even more anticipation within the tech community. Adding fuel to the speculation is another leaked image, reportedly showing a frame for the iPhone 17, which closely matches the described horizontal camera setup. This design is said to place the ultra-wide-angle camera sensor at the center of the array, flanked by other lenses, creating a balanced and symmetrical layout. Such a configuration would likely leave room for Apple's face identification system, ensuring that the device's functionality remains uncompromised despite the aesthetic changes. It appears Apple might be focusing on blending design innovation with the practical needs of its users. Previous reports hinted at a larger rectangular camera bump for the iPhone 17 Pro, but the new rumors suggest Apple is exploring multiple design possibilities. Whether it adopts the horizontal strip or opts for a refined rectangular bump, one thing is clear. The company is making strides to move away from the stovetop camera bump that has become a point of criticism. This potential shift could reinvigorate excitement around Apple's flagship devices, appealing to both longtime fans and those who may have turned to competing brands. Beyond the camera system, whispers of additional changes are also making waves. Some reports suggest the Pro models could move away from titanium in favor of aluminum or a hybrid of aluminum and glass. This approach would strike a balance between durability and a premium feel, aligning with Apple's commitment to marrying form and function. While there is some disagreement among insiders about these material shifts, the idea itself has intrigued many and added another layer of interest to the iPhone 17. For years, critics have argued that Apple has played it safe with its designs, making only incremental updates that feel all too familiar. However, if these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 17 could mark a turning point. A departure from the conventional camera bump, coupled with potential material innovations, could redefine Apple's design philosophy and set new expectations for what a flagship smartphone should look like. This would not only refresh the iPhone lineup, but also signal Apple's willingness to push boundaries and innovate in ways it has not in recent years. The competitive landscape is another factor at play. Rivals like Google, with its Pixel series, and other Android brands have been making significant strides in both design and technology. A bold, refreshed iPhone design could give Apple the boost it needs to reclaim market share and reaffirm its position as an industry leader. This is about more than just staying relevant. It is about setting a new standard and standing out in an increasingly crowded market. While design changes are grabbing most of the attention, they are not the only rumored upgrades. Smaller updates, like a reduced dynamic island size for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, are also making the rounds. These incremental improvements, combined with larger design overhauls, could make the iPhone 17 one of the most exciting releases in years. Apple's focus seems to be on delivering not just a functional device, but one that turns heads and challenges the competition. The excitement surrounding the iPhone 17 highlights the power of bold innovation to reshape perceptions and reignite enthusiasm. For more than a decade, the iPhone has been an icon, but in recent years, its designs have felt less revolutionary. Now, with the promise of a fresh look and Apple's renowned performance, the iPhone 17 could set a new benchmark for the industry. If you are as curious as we are about what lies ahead, stay tuned for more updates and insights. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299, with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659, respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. AI-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the base model, with a 16 gigabytes RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 gigabytes/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.